What's up, everybody? It's your boy Butch from Imperial TV. Well, actually, Tulum. We're celebrating my birthday. My birthday is New Year's Eve, December 31st. I'm here with my best friend, my brother, my cousin, Pablo, girlfriend, everybody here celebrating my birthday. Tomorrow is going to be a great night. Today's the 30th, tomorrow's the 31st. That's my birthday, New Year's Eve. Everybody celebrates. Happy New Year to everybody. Chill, buckle up. We're about to see something so cool. Welcome to Imperial TV.
Guess whose birthday it is?
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Bush from Imperial TV. Today is the day before my fucking birthday. You know, it's day YOLO, right? So I'm here in Tulum celebrating my day, and the day and only, I guess. So it's the 30th right now. I'm chilling. Tomorrow is the big day, the big event. We're gonna celebrate, no sleep till 8 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna harvest this thing like no other night. Cheers to a great, great year. Salute to everybody. Cheers. This New Year just by right. We're gonna go. Hello.
Oh my God, Rob!
Hey, only live once. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I love you guys.
We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Bruno. Thank you guys. Happy birthday to you. Thank you so much. That's very, very thoughtful. Love it. Did somebody commit suicide?
Allah
So we're here at Papaya Playa celebrating New Year's and my birthday. Guys, Happy New Year. Wish you guys a very, very blessed, joyful New Year, full of production and accomplishment. God bless y'all. See you, fans. Making my coffee. This is my 4th cake so far this week. I'm going to continue eating cake until I get so fat and happy. New Year's resolution: eat cake as much as you can. Well, working, of course. Playing piano, social media, 4 phones, one for the bro, the other one for the bro, and the other one for the bro, and the other one for bro. I got no hoes. Babe, I think I'm calling.
For me?
Tell me.
We can't mess with this girl.
Party time is over. Now it's time to take things too serious and get back to work. Thank you for watching. We had a great time, celebrated my birthday, New Year's Eve, and all of my friends. It was great. We had a blast. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Imperial TV. See you until next time. Ciao.